Hey everyone, Random Randy here. This is first day of Vlogust 2018, which is craziness. It doesn't seem like I was doing Vlogust a year ago already. Like, what? So, I am collecting myself and having a few minutes of peace because once the boys and I are done eating lunch, we are going to attempt the thus far unsuccessful task of getting Hunter to enjoy learning to ride his bike. My husband has been the one that's done it so far, and his teaching style is very do it exactly this way. No, you're doing it wrong. You're still doing it wrong. Okay, I'm tired of trying this with you because you're not following my instructions exactly to the letter. So we're gonna try Mommy's more soft touch, hippie. You can do it. I don't care what method you use to get to the end result that you want. As long as you get to the end result that you want, get it done. See how that works. I'm also recording this on my new phone, and I keep trying to look more towards the camera, but it's over here. Way over here. And here's my face all big right here, but it's over there. So I'm going to keep trying to look more in that direction. But I wanted to see what the quality is like on here and get some clips throughout the day. And maybe we can get a little bit of Hunter at least trying to push his bike and make it move. He's big enough. I know he's strong enough. It's just a matter of him being encouraged and confident enough to do it. And Hunter is 100% my child. If he gets even slightly discouraged, he tends to just throw up his hands and say, screw this, I quit. Like, no, whatever. So we'll see how that goes. Come on! Keep going, Hunter! Keep going, you're doing good. Push, push! Yeah! Look at you, speed demon! Good job, bud! What's up, little man? Did you find a rock? Oh, you brought a dinosaur with you. Dinosaur and a Lego. Look at you go. And there's Hunter. First attempt. Yeah. We rode around the block and now he won't stop.
Go on the road. Oh no!
Oh, he's not going in the road, buddy. He's staying on the path. What are you doing? You playing with the dirt and the dinosaurs? Oh, you gonna bury the Lego under the sand? Yeah.
I could be Pikachu.
You're gonna be Pikachu?
Yes. Pika Pika.
Cool. Hey guys, just wanted to kind of wrap up the day. It is now 9:45 and I just got out of a shower because it's been so grossly hot during the day that taking a shower during the day is kind of pointless. So, as you just saw, Hunter actually had a lot of success riding his bike, which was super awesome. He was so excited and so proud of himself, which is not something I get to see very often from him. Like I said, he's my kid and he's always finds a way to downplay everything that he does, which is a horrible trait to pass on. So I feel like Hunter and I will have to work on that together, and maybe we can both get better at not being so self-deprecating. So other than that, today has been kind of a crazy day. I had a ton of orders in my shop today. Totally bananas, but very good. Definitely not complaining. So once I'm done wrapping this up, I'm going to be working with some of my polymer clay and getting a whole bunch of donut charms made up because apparently people want them right now very, very much. And I'm gonna strike while the iron is hot for people wanting things. So, hope you all have an awesome first day of August. and I will catch you all again tomorrow. So thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good night, morning, whatever time it is when you see this.